Hi, 2000 Deals here. Today is December 3rd, 2019. Giving a brief demonstration on a GAF 680 slide projector. Main features are off fan lamp, forward reverse, remote which is forward reverse, focus, cycle, manual focus. On the front has a foot for elevating the projector. Manual bar where you can do it manually if you want to. So let's turn it on and see what it does. Focus the first slide. Let's go. That's pretty much everything for the round tray. Flat tray. Reverse. You can focus. The remote here will come off. If I had an extension, I would put an extension on and you could run the remote while sitting in your chair. So that's everything on the projector. Any questions, don't hesitate to send me an email and I'll try to answer them as best and as quick as I can. Thank you and happy bidding.